Good afternoon, everybody. This is your stay-at-home grandmom, and I'm bringing you the Amupper 4-piece Chinese metal bookmarks. And I actually got these to review, but also because I'm not going to actually use them. I might use a couple of them because there's 4 of them as bookmarks, but I'm going to use one of these. I think they're not all the same. They're different. That's good. I'm going to use a couple of these for my art and my tracing and things like that, because but they are very beautiful. So these are the 4. So I might use them for my stenciling as well, and I'll use a couple for bookmarks. But they're different designs, and they're actually very beautiful. I thought they would be a little bit bigger, but that's fine. So if you like this, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section, and I will put everything in the comment section as well as how to get it. I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.